Sunday, January 10th, and we're getting ready for another Anderson backyard family project.
Yep.
Gonna take those red bricks, which somebody else put in and are sloping towards the house and flooding the back room, pull them all out, slope it away, and then Robert Douglas, the big guy there, is gonna jackhammer out the sidewalk. I'm gonna be really busy too. I'm gonna drink some Mountain Dew while Robert Douglas is running the jackhammer. So, getting ready to get started. There's the beautiful lady of the house. So she just put some food in the oven, and off we go. So just pry it up and drag it out.
Yeah, these aren't heavy.
Okay, take it out there by the jackhammer, bud. There you go. There you go. Yeah. Oh, check it out, man. The power. You guys are kicking butt. This is going great.
I thought this was the easy part and the sidewalk was the hard part.
We'll find out when we get there. Jackhammer boy.
Hey, whoever said I was a jackhammer?
Me? There you go. Now pull back. All right. Good job, bud.
It's a little bit hard with the house right here.
Yeah.
I'm grabbing pieces to put in the big hole.
Peace out. No, take it out, don't put it in. Come on, baby, go. All right, making great progress here. Wow, kids are getting it hard. Doing some leveling work. So far, so good. Pretty hot, especially for January. It's a cloudy day. Well, we made pretty good progress today. This is what it's looking like now. Got the sidewalk out going to where the door used to be.